Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you. It is Thursday, August 24th, and this is the summary report for day number 5, I believe, where we're just trying to get to a payout. We're just trading one account right now. We're taking it slow. We're taking it easy. If you've been with me on this journey, I struggle with my PA accounts. That's just the reality of it. Seem to trading evals not a problem, trading PA accounts problem. So we're trying to get over that hurdle and trying to take it slow. And this is just a summary of how my trading day went. I trade live on YouTube stream every day, so you can catch me there. You can see all these trades live. We're just gonna recap them now. So for today, I mean, it was a pretty crazy day. Let me just zoom out here. So here we had a really, we almost to bring context. Yesterday we had a really big move up, kind of a choppy move up on the overnight. And then this morning we just went straight down, like no pullback, straight down. And I was a little bit biased this morning. I thought, I was expecting the market to pull back. Obviously, we had NVIDIA earnings last night, which really gave the market a boost. And I was expecting the market to pull back. And then I was looking for a long entry. I thought we would test the highs again. And just let me zoom in here the best I can. But yeah, right here. This 200, 210 area I had marked. This is just my support and resistance zones I had marked. And I was looking to buy. If we came into this 210 area and I liked the price action, I was looking to buy here. I did enter right here on my first trade, and we took profit on the first contract. We were like 80 ticks in profit, and the runner came all the way back down and stopped me out. Which was unfortunate. And then we failed, this breakout. And I entered another long right here. And in hindsight, wasn't a good trade. Like I know it's easy to say that in hindsight. But we had kind of broken this 210 area on this candle, and we made a move higher. We failed to make new highs here, and I entered long, and I was wrong. Thankfully, that's why we have stops. Thankfully got stopped out right here because, man, this thing just kept going lower. Finally did enter short right here. Caught a move right here. Then we shorted again right here. Caught another move of it. And at this point, I was in profit, like $85, $90 in profit. Pretty happy with how the day was going overall. And then kind of entered, we bounced right at 12 o'clock. We bounced right off of this 950 level. And I was looking for a short after this big red candle. We did take profit on the first contract, and then we got stopped out at break even, and it kept rallying higher. And then this happened. We just were in this consolidation. I was looking for a short, and long story short, I got stopped out 3 different times just trying to chase that short. And really, we were just consolidating in this area. This trade right here was a really bad trade. And I wasn't patient on my entry. I was, when we were right here, I was sure this thing's going to make new lows and it's going to go without me. And that was the mentality I was in, that this thing is going to rip lower. It's going to go without me. So I'm just getting in now, even though it really wasn't my entry, what I wanted. And yeah, I paid the price. And because I wasn't patient, I had a really big stop loss. And that was because I wasn't patient on my entry. My entry really should have been a short right up here. Now, to be fair, I probably would have gotten stopped out anyway, because of this big green bar here. Just kind of took out a little bit of a fake out here. And so, yeah, that kind of put me in a little bit of a sour mood. And then here it kind of put me over the edge. Let me zoom in on this trade. So after we make new lows, test the 950s, and we were struggling to get above this 21 EMA, I entered short right here at the 949s. And I kid you not, you can go rewind the tape. This is on the stream. I literally entered short here, and then I took my stop loss, and I was dragging my stop loss upwards to get it above this candle high, but I hadn't actually clicked it to place the stop above it. And before I could place it, I got stopped out on that trade by just this, 5-tick move in a split second, stopped me out, and then, of course, proceeded to drop another 100 points. So that was it for after that happened. That put me over the edge. That put me in the tilt zone, and so we were not making any further trades. And it's now 4:01, and this thing is still making new lows. It's crazy. This day we had close to, from the highs of the overnight session, we are getting close to a 600-point downswing. And if we look on the daily, like this candle, I can't remember the last time we had this big of a candle that was, just straight down. It's crazy. So Michael Burry, if you're out there, shout out to you. I'm sure you're having a good night. Anyway, all right, that's we want to show TradeZella yet? Just show the trades. So yeah, in all, like through everything, even though I made some bad trades and I was kind of on tilt, thankfully I kept streaming. That's my new rule. If I'm on tilt, then I have to stay streaming, because if I end stream, it sometimes gets a little bit uglier. But anyway, it was minimal damage. Minimal damage. We ended the day with $58 loss. We took a total of 9 trades. Again, this trade here, the $78 loss, this was the terrible trade. Again, just a bad trade. This $32 loss, really, this was the one that put me on tilt, because it was just bad luck. Literally not. I was about a split second away from actually clicking and placing my stop when I got stopped out. So it's one of those things with trading. Sometimes bad luck happens. And when it does, we just have to make sure that we don't compound into further problems. And I was happy I didn't do that today. Definitely felt like I was on the verge of going on tilt, and we didn't. So that's good. But anyway, that's it. That is it for today. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Thank you, everyone, for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Take care, and God bless.